Tuna. It's one of the most popular fish on the planet, a culinary chameleon that feels just as at home in a humble sandwich as it does on the most exclusive tasting menus. We see it everywhere, a constant, reliable presence in our food world. It's the go-to for a quick, healthy lunch, packed into cans that line our pantry shelves. It's the star of the backyard barbecue, its thick steaks searing to perfection over hot coals. And of course, it's the crown jewel of the sushi bar, sliced with precision and served as a delicate, melt-in-your-mouth delicacy. From the bustling fish markets of Tokyo to the refrigerated aisles of your local grocery store, tuna has become a global staple. Its name is synonymous with a quick, delicious, and protein-packed meal. But here's the truth, a secret hiding in plain sight. Behind this seemingly simple, universally understood fish lies a complex world of flavor, texture, biology, and economics. The single word tuna on a menu or a label is actually a massive oversimplification. It's a catch-all term that masks a vast and often confusing reality. Have you ever stopped to wonder what you're really eating when you order tuna? Are you getting the best value for your money? The best taste for your palate? The truth is, not all tuna is created equal. In fact, not by a long shot. In the vast ocean of options, two dominant species have risen to the top, commanding the attention of chefs and consumers alike. On one side, you have yellowfin. Often marketed as ahi, it's the versatile, leaner workhorse you'll find seared in restaurants and sold as steaks in supermarkets. On the other side, there's bluefin, the stuff of legend. A highly prized, incredibly rich fish that is revered in the world of high-end sushi and can fetch astronomical prices at auction. At a glance, they might seem similar. They're both tuna after all. But that's where the resemblance ends. They come from different parts of the ocean, live different lives, and their flesh tells two completely different stories. One is lean and mild, the other is fatty and intensely flavorful. One is relatively affordable and widely available. The other is a luxury item, a special occasion indulgence that can cost a small fortune. So, this raises the ultimate question for any savvy consumer. Which one should you actually be eating? It's a decision that impacts your wallet, your health, and your taste buds. Are you paying a premium for a name, or for a genuinely superior experience? Is one healthier than the other? And how can you be sure you're making a sustainable choice? Don't worry, we're here to cut through the confusion. We're going to break down everything you need to know about these two titans of the sea. From taste and texture to nutrition and price, we'll give you the definitive guide. Welcome to Consumer's Choice Top 5. Before we dive in, like this video if you want to eat smarter. Subscribe for simple food comparisons. Comment early. Yellowfin or bluefin? What do you order? Let's start with the superstar of the tuna world, yellowfin. If you've ever enjoyed a seared tuna steak at a restaurant or grabbed a fresh poke bowl for lunch, chances are you've already met. Scientifically known as Thunus albicares, yellowfin gets its name from its distinct, vibrant yellow dorsal and anal fins. It's also widely known as ahi tuna, a name that comes from the Hawaiian word for fire, which beautifully describes the shimmer and color of its flesh. These powerful swimmers are found in tropical and subtropical oceans all around the globe, making them one of the most widespread and commercially important tuna species. Because they're so common, you'll find yellowfin almost everywhere, from the fresh seafood counter at your local grocery store to the star ingredient in high-end sushi restaurants. But not all yellowfin is created equal. It's often sold in different grades. The highest, often labeled sushi grade or sashimi grade, is intended to be eaten raw. It boasts the best color, texture, and a pristine, fresh flavor. Lower grades are perfect for cooking and are what you'll typically find canned. While still delicious, these cuts might not have the perfect color or fat content for raw preparations, but they shine when grilled, seared, or baked. Visually, yellowfin has a distinctive look. Its flesh is a beautiful light red or pinkish color, which is much paler than the deep ruby red of bluefin. The texture is firm and meaty, yet lean. It holds its shape incredibly well, which is why it's a favorite for searing and grilling. When it comes to flavor, yellowfin is celebrated for being clean and mild, with a subtle sweetness. It's less intensely flavored than other tunas, making it incredibly versatile and approachable. This versatility is yellowfin's greatest strength. It's fantastic when cooked, but the key is to not overdo it. A quick sear on high heat is the classic method. This creates a warm, savory crust, while leaving the inside tender, cool, and almost raw. With this method, you get two experiences in one bite: the firm, flaky texture of the cooked exterior and the soft, delicate melt of the mouth center. If you cook it all the way through, it becomes much firmer and flakier, similar to a swordfish steak, with a milder flavor. Of course, its mild flavor makes it a natural choice for raw dishes. Think of classic poke bowls, where cubes of fresh ahi are tossed with soy sauce, sesame oil, and onions. Or a simple, elegant tuna tartare, finely diced and mixed with capers and lemon. For a quick and healthy weeknight dinner, try marinating a yellowfin steak in teriyaki sauce and grilling it for just a couple of minutes per side. Ultimately, yellowfin's popularity comes down to a winning combination. It's easy to find, relatively affordable, and simple to prepare in dozens of delicious ways. It's the reliable, everyday hero of the tuna family, the one most of us eat without even thinking about it. Now let's talk about bluefin tuna. This is the luxury tuna. Bluefin is famous for sushi-grade cuts, rich flavor, high fat content. It has a deep red color and a buttery texture. Some bluefin tuna sells for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Why? Because it's rare and highly prized in sushi culture. Here's how they taste. Yellowfin tuna. Lean, firm, mild flavor, slightly meaty. Great for grilling, searing, poke bowls. Bluefin tuna. Rich, soft, buttery, almost melts in your mouth. Best for sushi and sashimi. If you like bold, rich flavor, bluefin wins. If you like clean and light, yellowfin wins. Now let's talk nutrition. Yellowfin tuna. Lower fat, lower calories, high protein, still rich in omega-3s. Bluefin tuna. Much higher fat, higher calories, extremely rich in omega-3s. Omega-3 fats support heart health, brain function, joint health. Yellowfin is lean and protein-packed. Bluefin is rich and calorie-dense. This part matters. Tuna can contain mercury. And here's the key difference. Yellowfin tuna. Moderate mercury levels, safer for more frequent eating. Bluefin tuna. Higher mercury levels, best eaten occasionally. If you eat tuna often, are pregnant, or want lower risk, yellowfin is the safer, everyday choice. Let's talk cost. Yellowfin tuna. Affordable. Easy to find. Available year-round. Bluefin tuna. Very expensive. Limited availability. Often restaurant-only. For most people, price alone makes the choice clear. So, after exploring the depths of flavor, nutrition, and cost, we arrive at the ultimate question. Which tuna should you eat? The answer isn't a simple one-size-fits-all. It truly depends on who you are and what you're looking for in a meal. Let's walk through a few common scenarios to help you decide. First, are you the health-conscious weekly eater? If you incorporate tuna into your diet several times a week for its lean protein and health benefits, yellowfin is your steadfast ally. Its significantly lower mercury content makes it a safer choice for regular consumption. It's also much friendlier on your wallet, which is crucial when you're buying it often. Its firm, mild flavor is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for everything from a quick lunchtime salad to seared steaks for dinner or healthy poke bowls. For consistent, healthy, and affordable meals, yellowfin is the clear winner. Now let's say you're planning a special sushi night or celebrating a milestone. This is where bluefin takes center stage. If you're seeking a truly luxurious, unforgettable culinary experience, you choose bluefin. The rich, buttery, melt-in-your-mouth texture of its fatty cuts, like chutoro and otoro, is unparalleled. This isn't your everyday fish. It's a delicacy meant to be savored on occasion. The higher price point and sustainability considerations reinforce its status as a special treat. When the goal is pure indulgence and a flavor that will be remembered long after the meal is over, you should absolutely splurge on bluefin. Finally, what if you're an athlete or someone focused on fitness macros? Your choice might vary. Yellowfin is a lean protein machine, packing a powerful punch with minimal fat, making it an ideal post-workout meal to repair and build muscle. However, the high omega-3 fatty acid content in bluefin is fantastic for reducing inflammation and supporting joint health. An athlete might use yellowfin as a daily protein source, while incorporating a smaller portion of bluefin once a week for its potent anti-inflammatory benefits. Ultimately, the best advice is to let your lifestyle lead the way. For daily health and value, yellowfin is the smart, reliable choice. For that rare, decadent treat, bluefin offers an experience like no other. There's a place for both in a balanced diet. It's all about choosing the right fish for the right moment. There's no bad tuna here. Yellowfin wins for everyday health, protein, safety, cost. Bluefin wins for flavor, texture, special occasions. Smart eaters know the difference. If this video helped you choose smarter, like it, share it, and comment below. Yellowfin or bluefin, what's your pick and why? Subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 for more food comparisons, grocery truths, and everyday choices explained, so you always know what you're eating. See you in the next Top 5.